A bathroom is not just a place to clean yourself, but also a space to relax. Rustic modern design brings a cozy, natural, and stylish atmosphere. Wood with natural textures and stone elements are the main features of rustic design. Combined with soft lighting from pendant lights or wall sconces, the bathroom feels warm and calming. Even with a rustic theme, this design still looks modern with a minimalist sink, transparent glass shower, and black or gold metal accents for a luxurious feel. A large mirror with a wooden frame, open shelves for towels, and indoor plants like monstera or lavender make the bathroom feel fresh and lively. Earthy tones like wood brown, stone gray, and neutral white create the perfect harmony. With this design, your bathroom is not just functional but also a favorite place to start and end your day in comfort.